F for fox. F for fish. F for fly. F for frog. F for fire. F for four. F for five. F for foot. F for flute. F for fruit. F for fingers. F for farmer. F for flower.